Good morning, students. Myself Prashant Srivastava, a teacher of English, Sarojan Convent School, Buxar. In today's class, we are going to start paragraph writing. In this class, we would know how to write a paragraph. A paragraph is a piece of writing that consists of several sentences that present and develop one main idea, theme, or subject. In other words, we can say that a paragraph is a group of sentences that relate to or concentrate on a single topic. In other words, we can say a paragraph is a group of sentences that in totally introduce, develops, and sum up an idea. It is called paragraph. The elements of a paragraph are listed below. पहले हम जानेंगे कि पैराग्राफ क्या होता है. पैराग्राफ जो है वो राइटिंग का एक पीस है जो कि उसमें कुछ सेवरल सेंटेंसेस होते हैं जो हमारे आइडियाज़ को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, हमारे आइडियाज़ को डेवलप करते हैं, हमारे थीम, हमारे सब्जेक्ट को प्रेजेंट करते हैं. हम ऐसे भी कह सकते हैं कि पैराग्राफ इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ सेंटेंस दैट रिलेट टू और कॉन्सेंट्रेट एंड सिंगल टॉपिक. हमारे सिंगल टॉपिक को रिलेट करते हैं और कॉन्सेंट्रेट करते हैं. पैराग्राफ राइटिंग में टॉपिक सेंटेंस, दिस इज द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस ऑफ द पैराग्राफ. ये जो है टॉपिक सेंटेंस होता है जो कि पैराग्राफ का पहला सेंटेंस होता है. इट इंट्रोड्यूसेस द बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ द पैराग्राफ एंड मोटिवेट्स द रीडर टू वांट टू रीड मोर. ये जो है बेसिक यानी आधार होता है सेंटेंस. हमारे आइडिया का जो भी हम लिखते हैं पैराग्राफ में, जो हमारा आइडिया होता है उसका आधार होता है. एंड मोटिवेट्स द रीडर, और रीडर को मोटिवेट करता है, कन्विंस करता है ताकि वो और आगे इच्छा से पढ़ सके. Before you actually begin to write, you should have a clear understanding of the subject at hand. Remember, just as a sentence deals with one thought, a paragraph deals with one topic or idea. First, write down the main idea or topic. First of all, you have to write down the main topic and idea on your page before starting the paragraph. It can be a single word, more than one word, or a short phrase. Build on the words or short phrase to come up with additional ideas that support the main idea. You may change the order of the points or supporting ideas according to their occurrence or importance when you actually begin to write your paragraph. It is very important that while writing, you do not repeat your ideas. It means that while you write the paragraph, you have not to repeat the same idea, the same topic again and again. Hence, you have to introduce many more points to support the main idea of your paragraph. Second thing is that these form the body of the paragraph, that is supporting sentences. They prove, explain, develop, or support the topic sentences. They give more information about the main idea through examples and strong convincing points. In this supporting sentences, it is the main form of the body of the paragraph. It is the main body of the paragraph. It proves, ये डेवलप करते हैं, हमारे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं हमारे थीम्स को, हमारे आइडियाज़ को, हमारे सब्जेक्ट को. और ये जो है पैराग्राफ की बॉडी कहे जाते हैं, जिसमें हम अपने पॉइंट से वो रीडर को मोटिवेट करते हैं कि वो ज़्यादा पढ़ सके, उनको कन्विंस करते हैं. दिस लास्ट टॉपिक इज क्लोजिंग सेंटेंस. दिस रीस्टेट्स द टॉपिक सेंटेंस इन डिफरेंट वर्ड्स. It is the last sentence of a paragraph and clearly indicates the end of the paragraph. In this last sentence, we write the conclusion about the problem that we have. Suppose that if we are going to write a topic about some problem, in the last sentences, closing sentences, we write the conclusion or suggestion or whatever we want. It restates the topic sentence in different words. we write the sentence that we have written above in different words, it is the last sentence of the paragraph and clearly indicates the end of the paragraph. It indicates the end of the paragraph. If we read this last sentence, we would confirmly know that what we have written above. Okay, students, in our next class we would study pronoun. So take care. Bye.